National Weather Service in Raleigh. It's Nick Petro with your weekly briefing for Central North Carolina. And we're doing this on Friday. Since yesterday was a holiday and weather was fairly quiet, we postponed it, of course, to the day after. And hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. And yeah, so here we go. This briefing covers through the Thursday, the 5th of December. And jumping right into the weather pattern, we could see a couple interesting features here. First thing I'll highlight is a big difference in temperatures here between, say, Florida and Georgia. There's a front in there, and you could see along this band of cloudiness. That's all what came through our area yesterday. Cold front pushed through, and look at these readings up here, really cold in the northern plains, single digits. Cold air is going to continue to pour in as high pressure builds to the south and east. So we've got, we're not going to get into single digits, but certainly some more cold air is on the way in, and high pressure, of course. So as you can see, we're already here in central North Carolina. We're already clear. The skies are clear. There's some mid and high clouds, but certainly for the most part, we're looking for nice weather here on out. A few snow showers up north, but at least right now, radar's not really indicating anything in the North Carolina mountains. So anyway, not too bad. A little chilly, but otherwise a dry pattern right now. All right, so how's that pattern going to shape up? Well, it's going to basically, we'll still have high pressure building in, and the flow around high pressure being clockwise, as you see here on the upper left panel. We're going to have colder air pouring in from the north here over the next couple days, and as such, really the big takeaway is the weather is the word cold. Cold's going to be the primary thing we're going to be talking about here in the weather the next few days, with nighttime and early morning lows dipping down into the 20s. And highs remaining in the 40s some days, and the warmer days lower 50s. So really kind of chilly. A normal high this time of year is low to mid 30s, and a normal high is generally in the mid 50s. So we're somewhat below normal. And then, as you can see from the rest of the panels, Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, we're in a dry weather pattern with high pressure dominating our weather for this briefing period. All right, so no severe thunderstorm potential next 8 days. Here is the accumulated precipitation forecast, and you can see there's none over us. So dry weather will continue. Drought is still ongoing. Moderate drought basically east of I-95 and abnormally dry west for the rest of the state. And looks like this cold's going to continue. To 8 to 14 day outlook shows odds favoring below normal temperatures, and odds neither above or below for precip, so favoring normal, I guess. And there again is the typical highs and lows this time of year at the bottom. All right, so this is our one-stop shop for getting a sense of what weather hazards we have in our forecast the next 7 days, and frost freeze is the main hazard, the cold temperatures. So as we round it out, cold, the primary weather story next few days. Again, the nighttime and early morning lows in the 20s and highs remaining in the 40s to lower 50s through the 7-day period. Otherwise dry, and you can see the numbers down there. Look at those readings in the 20s here next couple nights. Look at that, 24 for Monday night, and highs struggling to get to the mid 40s on Monday and Tuesday. So with that in mind, I want to mention that you want to make sure to have the kids properly dressed for the morning bus stop waiting time, and then make sure to bring your outdoor pets inside at night for the nighttime hours. If you have any outdoor pets, bring them in at night so they don't have to be out there suffering through the cold during the overnight hours. So hard freeze conditions next couple mornings. All right. Before I let you go, I want to remind everybody that next week, the 1st through the 7th of December, is Winter Weather Preparedness Week for North Carolina. And for North Carolina, odds do tilt towards above normal temperatures, and odds tilt towards below normal temperatures, or precipitation rather. but short episodes of wintry cold, kind of like we're having now, and short episodes of wintry unsettled weather, are still possible in an otherwise warmer and drier season. So you might be thinking, well, wait a minute, you're showing me here the temperatures for this winter are going to be above normal, but yet you're talking in the previous slide about cold. Well, I mean, that's, this is a seasonal outlook. Is just basically a probabilistic thing. It doesn't mean that it's going to be above normal the entire winter. It just means that, when we get to April and we're looking back on the previous winter that had just ended, we're going to probably find that most of the winter was above normal, but there will be these episodes like we're having right now of wintry cold. And who knows, maybe there'll be some episodes of unsettled wintry weather. I don't really see anything of that nature anytime soon, but winter's just getting started. So anyway, there you have it. Regardless of what the winter may bring, you want to definitely prepare for it. So anyway, there's a great website, weather.gov/RAH/winter-prep, has all the information you need on how to prepare for the winter season. So with that is our weekly briefing for Central North Carolina here on this 29th of November.